Hi guys, good afternoon to each and everyone. Time check, it's already 6:40. So guys, kagigising ko lang. Kasi naman, di ba? Nakauwi kami around 2 early morning na. Kasi di ba may ako gabi, may gig ako. So that's why. Natulog lang ang Disney Princess. And then by the way guys, sarap mango. And then, we have a fried banana. Sarap. So, diretso na dinner to. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, merienda, sabay-sabay na dinner. Ito yung favorite ko kasi kapag meron ako nito, yung tawag dito sa amin is sinapot. And then, ipinapares ko dito sa mango. Fresh